Shwmai a chroeso I Rhan 3 Uned 5, the third part of Unit 5, where we're just going to take a quick look at how to make plurals. Specifically talking about members of the family, and then also how to say years in Gymraeg. Felly, I ddechrau, tudalen 41. This is just vocabulary, extra vocabulary, so I'll run through the unigol and the lluosog. Felly, ail y droddwch, repeat after me. Mam, mamau. Tad, tadau. Chwaer, chwiorydd. Brawd, brodyr. Merch, merched. Mab, meibion. Cyfnither, cyfnitherod. Cefnder, cefndryd. Wires, wresau. Wyr, wyrion. Llystad, llystadau. Llysfam, llysfamau. And finally, in this unit, we just look at years and how to say years. It's a simple way. We just can say the numbers. So if you look at the examples, tudalen 41, 1926, we just say 1926. 1926. 1939. 1945. Or you can, instead of saying one, you say mil, which is 1,000. So 1926. 1939. 1945. And then when we come to the year 2000, of course, it's 2000. 2000. 2001. 2002. And then when you come to the teens there, 2014, 2014. 2015 ac yn y blaen. And there we are, that is Unit 5 wedi gorffen. So look forward now to Uned 6. Pob hwyl am y tro, bye bye.